tools needed for installation include an SDS drill, a 10mm SDS drill bit, a blower, an angle grinder, an impact gun fitted with a 13mm socket, a Stanley knife and a spirit level. Fixings will be provided. They include sealant, chemical capsules, an anchor drill adapter, copper grease, threaded bar, nuts and washers. The first step is to offer your flat valve to the wall. Depending on the size, you may need assistance. Drill into the concrete to the appropriate depth. See the packaging detail for depths. Blow out the concrete dust to ensure the capsules set correctly. To assemble your anchors, squeeze copper grease onto the end of your threaded bar. Slide on the washer, the spring washer, then screw the nut on so they look like this. Apply a bead of sealant. EPDM foam seal will be provided for larger sizes. Drop your chemical capsules into the drilled holes. Attach the anchor drill adapter onto the end of the anchor, then use a drill or impact gun to drive them in. Ensure you apply enough pressure to break the glass capsules. Once the chemical anchor is cured, remove the anchor drill adapter and secure the bolts in place. Remove any excess threaded bar. That's your flat valve fully installed. If you have any questions or queries, please call or visit our website.